DeFi is expanding on Ronin. New games are joining the ecosystem and old games are reaching new all-time highs. All of this and more on today's Ronin recap. Ragnarok Landverse has achieved 2 million RON in trading volume, marking its place as the #1 game on Ronin. Ragnarok Landverse is an MMORPG with a strong in-game economy and sense of player community. Based on Ragnarok Online, the original IP, we are talking about a team that has over 20 years experience and a pre-existing dedicated fan base. Head to rolg.maxion.gg to play today so you don't miss out on the action. One of the community's fan favorite projects, Sabong Saga, has received an ecosystem grant from the Ronin network. This community-driven project already has a vast ecosystem, including crafting, breeding, and of course, cockfights. And with an ecosystem grant secured, they are seriously ramping things up with the announcement of their pre-season alpha. You can head to the website sabongsaga.com or head to their Twitter page for an awesome guide on how to get started. A brand new game joined the Ronin network this week by the name of Angry Dynamite's Lab Craft World. Inspired by games like Terraria, Craft World is a factory simulator where you can work together with your friends to farm materials in order to craft masterpieces. No one player can do it alone, so there is a thriving economy where you can sell your excess goods and buy the materials you need. Head to angrydynamiteslab.com to join the fun. And to improve your efforts in DeFi, Kyrstal vaults are now live on Ronin. Vaults automate yield strategies, helping users to earn more by doing less manual work. You can create your own custom vault for either personal or public use, or deposit into a vault that's already been created by another user. Vaults are designed to maximize your yield, save time, optimize fees, and reduce complexity. But keep in mind that vaults use smart contracts and external platforms which could carry protocol or contract risks. Liquidity rewards are now live on Forecast. Forecast.gg is a prediction market for gaming culture and live sports. But by clicking on the rewards tab, you can now earn consistent daily rewards by participating in these specific markets. But keep in mind that in order to earn the rewards, you will need to fulfill the 2 criteria of having the required minimum shares and being within the max spread. The Ronin network is no stranger to play and earn success stories. Stories like that of Chef Carino, who paid for his university tuition by playing Pixels online. Derek discovered Pixels in 2023, and through the Play to Airdrop campaign, he was able to accumulate enough Pixel tokens to pay for not only his school tuition, but also a scooter for transportation. Stories like Derek's happen all the time. You can check out the discovery page on wallet.roninchain.com/app to keep up to date with all of the announcements so you don't miss the next big opportunity. Make sure to keep an eye open for Fishing Frenzy. Season 1 finished with great success with a creator program that paid out a combined total of 20,000 RON for creators just creating content on the game. And Season 2 is right around the corner, so if you haven't played yet, it's time to try it out. Every week brings something brand new to discover on the Ronin network. Time will only tell what next week brings, so my friends, I will see you in the next one.